Hey guys, just want to show you a Troopy that's going out this week. So this is Jimmy's Troopy. We love an old Troopy. I mean, everybody does, right? So we've done a wagon fit out in the back of it. So if we open it up, you'll notice the fit out is a little different. So we've customised this fit out to suit Jimmy's exact needs, all right? So you notice on the left-hand side there, down the bottom, we've got a lockable modular drawer. So 2 compression locks on there. And the reason why that drawer is so shallow, on top of that, Jimmy's getting a custom dog crate fabbed to fit that exact space, all right? Then next to that, we've got one of our sliding top Bushmaster drawers. You've got your big drawer down the bottom. And then you've also got your big sliding top. Now these are on our 227 lock and slides, so they're going to take a heap of weight. These units are customised obviously with your anchor track, so lots of tie downs. And then to finish it off, we've got a wing kit on your driver's side here that Jimmy can access it through this, obviously, emuing on the side. So a bit of storage there. But no, this video is to suit Jimmy's exact needs. So there was a lot of back and forth to get what we needed. And the big thing is we knew that a dog crate was going on that passenger size at a certain dimension. So then we customized the drawer to suit, and then this drawer to suit also on the other side. There you guys, another Troopy fit out. Have a good day.